What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Ash Ketchum from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw two long ovals for the pupils. We'll start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, back up towards the top. Let's leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size oval on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now along the top of each pupil, draw a smaller oval for a highlight. And then we're going to add that glare, starting on the left side, come down, and then up. And then we're going to fill that center area in black. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down and up, and then fill that in. Along the bottom of the pupils, draw a straight line going across. Now we're going to move up towards the top and draw on the eyelid. Let's start on the left side. We're going to go up, round this out, and then come down on the inside. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's line up with the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. We'll start with a point, coming out and then back in. Let's step down and draw on the mouth, starting over on the left, curve this down, across, and then up. Now I want to add that little shading across the bottom of the eye. So on the left, it's like a Z shape. We're going to go up, across, and then up. And do the same thing on the right side. Now, I want to move up and draw the bottom edge of the hat brim. Let's start over on the left. Bend this up, across, and then down. Round at the hat brim, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now let's close off the top with another curve. Let's add the hair coming down in the center. So we're going to start on the left, come down and out, and add a point. Come down in the center. Now I just want to bend this out and then back up. Let's go to the side and add in the eyebrows. We're going to angle this down and in, and then taper that back up underneath the hat brim. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. And then we're going to move out to the side and draw the profile edge of the head. Let's start on the side of the hat brim. Draw a straight angled line coming down and out. Line that up on the right. Now from the outside, we're just going to angle the head, coming down and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right side, coming down towards the same height. Let's round out the jaw, bend the head, coming down and in towards the chin. Round out the chin, go out, then up towards the right side. Let's go to the side of the head and draw in the ears. We'll start with a straight angled line going up and then out. And we'll curve the ears, going out, and then bend that in towards the side of the jaw. Let's add a little hook along the inside. Now let's go back up to the edge of the hat brim and draw in the hair. We're going to start from this point. We're going to bend this out and then down. Line that up on the right side. And then bend that back in to create a point. Now let's draw that large point. We're going to go out and then down. Let's bring this back in, just aiming towards the bottom of the earlobe to right about there. Let's draw a short curve going up and out. Now on the left side, we're just going to bring this down and then in towards the jaw. Let's go over towards the right. We're going to add a few more points, coming down and in. Then this out and down. Come in. And let's add one smaller point along the bottom. Now let's go back up to the top. We're going to finish off the hat. From this corner, we're going to step out, draw a straight line going up along the side of the hat. And do the same thing on the right side. Let's round at the top of the hat, starting on the left, curve this around, up in towards the middle, go across, and then down towards the right. Let's add a trim, starting back over on the left, bend this up, and then down. Now in the center of the hat, we're going to draw a half circle, starting on the left, going up, across, and then down. And we'll trace that along the inside. Let's finish this off by drawing in the neck and collar. We're going to start on the left side, bend this down and in, leave a gap in the center, do the same thing on the right side. Now on the ends, draw a short line coming down, follow that curve going all the way across towards the bottom, and then back up. on the inside of the collar, angle this down and in toward the bottom. And then on the top, we're just gonna bend the neck, coming down and then out. And I'll wrap the collar in behind the neck. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Ash Ketchum from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.